Hello everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and I'm participating in a collaboration. It's a DIY and it's called Look for Less. Now this collaboration is hosted by Yami at the Latina next door and Maria at the Inspiration Vault. Now in this collaboration they asked us to find a piece of home decor that we could remake for less, of course. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, stick around. Now what I found was this 4-tier shelf with a drawer, and I found one similar to it for my daughter, and I'm going to remake it. So here's the one we found. It has a black drawer. It's in chrome, so we had to do some sanding and painting, some work to get it done. You see here how it looks out in my garage. Now here is some of the work we've done. Didn't film the part of me painting the white, totally forgot. But I did get me here doing some painting, putting the sealant on it, the top coat, to seal it in for her. So I sprayed it down pretty good. As you see, the drawer is covered in paper because I had not too long painted some parts of the top shelf in copper. So let me stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of this video.
On the other side of the wind, baby. Be for a whole production. Just put shit on.
It's been raining here in Houston, so once you paint it, you have to bring it in the gazebo so it doesn't get wet. And the feet are on now, and the drawer is still covered in paper because when I get ready to transport it, I don't want to mess up the white paint that's on it. So you'll see the reveal at my daughter's apartment. Okay guys, here's the finished product. The shelves are in my daughter's apartment. They look really pretty. Next we have to put all the glass in. But I wanted to show you the finished look of the painting. We painted the boxes white and everything else, and we painted in copper. They turned out really pretty. She's happy with them. Wave, Tamara. She's a long day at work. So guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying if you enjoy my content, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And also guys, subscribe to my channel. Also next to it, there's a bell. Click that bell, and that bell is a notification bell. That bell will let you know each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed below on the screen and also down below in the description. Guys, this is Stephanie, as always, saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.